Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and legal recovery. You recover refrigerant into a certified canister. Do not vent. Once recovered, disconnect the battery and remove the serpentine belt so the compressor won't spin. Next, unplug electrical connectors and remove the compressor mounting bolts. Make sure you cap service ports immediately to avoid contamination. Finally, note hose routing and take photos so you reassemble exactly as removed. With the old unit out, you install the new compressor and tighten bolts to spec. Don't skip correct torque. Once mounted, charge the system oil per compressor capacity and replace the receiver or accumulator plus all O-rings. This prevents moisture. Now use manifold gauges and dry nitrogen at about 40 to 60 psi to pressure test and gently flush residual contaminants from the lines. Bleed nitrogen through until clear. Make sure to keep ports capped. Once flushed, you proceed carefully with refrigerant charging using manifold gauges and weigh the refrigerant to match vehicle specs. If you don't have a vacuum pump, do not improvise by venting. Instead, take the vehicle to a shop with recovery/evac equipment. That preserves system integrity. After charging, run the engine, cycle the A/C, and verify pressures and temps. If cooling is poor, check for obvious leaks, incorrect oil amount, electrical connector faults, or a stuck expansion valve. Those are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.